Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to switch account in Watcher of Realms. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Switching accounts in Watcher of Realms is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, open the game. Launch Watcher of Realms on your device. Access settings. Tap on the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of the main screen. Account management. Look for an option that says account or account management. Switch account. Select the switch account option. You might need to log out if your current account first, and then log in. Enter the credentials for the account you want to switch to. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.